Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime calls not going through. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to call with someone on FaceTime and it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do, just simply have to open those settings and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Also make sure that if you have updated your device, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds. Then just simply have to turn this off, then try to call someone and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to scroll it on, just simply have to tap on channel. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to date and time, and also make sure that your date and time is correct. Then close this page and just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, just simply have to go to the FaceTime. From here just simply have to turn off your FaceTime and close this page, and just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shut down. Just simply have to turn off your device at least for the 2 or 3 minutes, and after turning it on guys, just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down and look at for the FaceTime again, and just simply have to turn on FaceTime again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.